Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to our science class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. We have completed 3 blocks, right? Today we are going to start 4th block, that is excretory system. Today we are going to start with a small game. Do you like games? Yes, everyone like games, right? Okay, let's start the game. I will name some internal organs of our body. You will touch the body part to show where that organ is present. Okay? I will name some internal organ. You will touch the body part to show where that organ is present. First, brain. Where is the brain present? Touch the body part where the brain is present. Yes, the brain located inside the head. Next, lungs. Can you locate your lungs? I hope you have touched your chest. The lungs are located in the chest. Next, heart. Where the heart is located? Yes, the heart located in the front and middle of the chest. Next, kidney. Where the kidneys are present? Yes, kidneys present in side of backbone. There are 2 kidneys in our body, one on each side of the backbone. Okay? You all are played very well. Okay, let's get into the topic. Today, we will learn about the organs that help in the removal of waste from the body. Today, our aim is to identify the organs which help in the removal of waste from our body. Keywords are excretion, excretory system, and toxic. First, excretion. Excretion is the process of removing waste and excess water from the body. Excretion is the process of removing waste and excess water from the body. Next, excretory system. Excretory system is a group of organs that help to remove different types of waste from the body. Excretory system is a group of organs that help to remove different types of waste from the body. Next, toxic. It containing poison or being poisonous material. Next, activity. Resources needed for the activity. A chart with human body outline and cutouts of some internal organs like kidneys, heart, lungs, brain. Okay? Let's start the activity. Let's imagine this human body outline is drawn in a chart. And these are some cutouts of internal organs. Okay? From these internal organs, choose the organs that help to remove waste from our body. Which internal organs help to remove waste from our body? I hope you have found it. The lungs and kidneys are help to remove waste from our body. Now, we are going to place these two organs in their correct positions in the human body outline. Let's do it. First, lungs. Where the lungs are located? We already discussed it, right? Good. The lungs are located in the chest. Let's paste the lungs in its position. Okay. Next, kidneys. Where the kidneys located? Yes, it located in the side of the backbone. Let's paste it in its position. Okay, we have completed our activity. Now tell me, which organs did we paste on the chart? Yes, we pasted kidneys and lungs. Because these are the organs that help to remove waste from the body. Where are these organs are located? Where are these organs located in our body? Yes, kidneys are located in side of the backbone and lungs are located in the chest. Let's see the answer. There are two kidneys in our body, one on each side of the backbone. These are the main organs of the excretion. They are bean shaped. Next, the lungs are located in the chest. Okay. Now tell me, what types of waste do kidneys and lungs help to remove? Let me say, kidneys remove waste from the blood in the form of urine. Kidneys help to remove waste in the form of urine. Okay. Next, lungs help in the removal of carbon dioxide. Lungs help to remove the carbon dioxide in our body. Okay. Next, what are the some other organs that help remove waste from our body? Do you know? Some other organs also help to remove waste from our body. That are bladder, urethra, ureters. Bladder, urethra and ureters are the other organs that help to remove urine from the body along with the kidneys. Our skin also helps to remove waste from our body. The skin is another organ which helps to remove waste from the body in the form of sweat. All these organs that help in the removal of waste from the body together form of the excretory system. Okay. Next, Heart's question. What is the need for an excretory system in our body? What is the need for an excretory system in our body? Without excretory system, what happen in our body? What do you think? I hope you get the answer. Without excretory system, wastes are not removed from the body, right? So that we may cause many diseases. Let's see the answer. Different types of toxic waste are produced in our body during processes like digestion and respiration. If these wastes are not removed from the body, they will poison our blood and may even cause death. So, we need an excretory system to help us get rid of these wastes. Okay? That's all for today. What are the things we learned today? Yes, we learned organs of the excretory system. What are the organs that help in the removal of waste from our body? Kidneys, lungs, bladder, urethra, ureters and skin. Okay? Next, practice questions. First question. Draw and name any one organ of the excretory system. Second question. Match the columns. There are two columns. Excretory organs and types of waste removed. In excretory organs, lungs, kidneys, skin are given. And wastes are sweat, carbon dioxide, urine. Read your content book carefully and answer these questions. Next, worksheet questions. In S1, first question is, tick the waste removed by the organs of the excretory system. The options given are sweat, carbon dioxide, urine, water, oxygen, and nutrients. The second question is, fill in the table about the organs of the excretory system. There is a table with 3 columns. Organs of the excretory system, location in the body, and waste removed by the organ. Some cells are already filled. Your answers should be matched with that content. Okay? Next question. Write one way in which the excretory system is important to our body. We discussed it in Hearts question, right? So that I hope you can answer this question. Next, bonus question of the day. Today your bonus question is, a group of organs that help to remove waste from our body is called dash. I repeat, a group of organs that help to remove waste from our body is called dash. Answer this question in your online exam section. Today's class completed. Do your homeworks properly and get a sign from your parents in the planner. Tomorrow you will be having block assessment on block 3. So, be prepared the block, that is digestive system. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.